what's up? My name is Ritty and this is RityDIY, and today we're going to do a very short and quick video. Basically, I just wanted to show off my savings that I got whenever I went to JOANN'S. I walked in just for some little like hay bales to do. If you watched my last video with the pumpkins, then you saw them at the end, but basically just a way to display the pumpkins and kind of decorate by my apartment door. And of course I walked out with tons of other stuff. I guess I should do the math technically. So I walked into the store looking for some of these little bales, like hay bales or whatever, straw bales, what they're calling them. Basically so I could do something that looks kind of like this picture. I technically tried to go to Michael's first because they had ones that were a little bit longer. Like, I think they were 24 inches and these are just 20. But they were sold out. I went into one Michael's, called two of them, and just they were all sold out. And I called JOANN'S and they were like, yeah, we have them in stock. And they were also on sale at both stores, so it doesn't matter. So they were normally $12.99. I paid $5.99 for each of them, so I got 3 of those. I definitely did not plan on buying a wreath because these are always so expensive. I also would not normally choose this one. I feel like it's extra farmhouse style, and although I have things that are farmhouse styled, I feel like this is like more on that side than I normally go. But because I knew my pumpkins were very vivid colors, a lot of them, I wanted something more calm on the door to kind of tie the whole front area together. So yeah, this is the one that I got. It's super cute. Now, it was originally $40, $39.99. And I paid $11.99, so I was really excited about that. I decided to go ahead and do it since it was 70% off. Pretty much all of this stuff was 70% off. I also got this cute little bucket to sit on the hay bales, and these little pumpkins and just different stuff. This was originally $15 and these were originally $10, and so I paid $4.49 and $2.99. So I got this decorative mesh is what they call it, and I liked how big, like how wide it is, so I can use it for a lot of different things, for a table runner, for on my counter, just whatever. And it was originally $15 and I got it for $4.50 as well. I got this lovely thing for $4.70 and it was originally $16. Oh, apparently there's a matching wreath that I did not get. Anyways, I just thought this would look pretty cute out with like the pumpkins and stuff like that, and then I could also turn around and use it on my mantle. I have a little fireplace in the apartment and I thought this would look really cute. I got this for the wreath. It was originally $9.99, so I got it for $2.99. And I know that the color, well, I think it looks fine. The color doesn't super go with the wreath, but I feel like it'll look good enough with any wreaths that I get throughout the year or make throughout the year. I am shocked that they're allowed to sell these little things for $20. I think that's ridiculously overpriced, but of course it was on sale as well, so I paid $7.99, which I still think is a lot. I really like it. I thought it would look cute with everything else in the, like, decorating the pumpkins. It says hello fall. Excuse me, Jaeger, I need you to go away. Mwah. Alright, go that way, don't bite me. And then the last 2 things were just more material. Again, I didn't know. I was kind of rushing with what to do to decorate the pumpkins and stuff like that. I really, really, really like this one, and I think that's what I'll use. I obviously haven't finished that pumpkin video until tonight, so I haven't finished setting this stuff up, which of course hopefully you'll see it before you see this video, but anyways, that'll probably be there. And then I got some of this. This one was $12.99 and this was $9.99. The $12.99 was $3.89 and the $9.99 was again $2.99. So I got all of this stuff, like so much stuff. I paid, there was also an extra 20% off coupon, so that saved me almost $13. So the total that I paid, including tax, which I'm in Texas, it's not a huge difference, I don't think, with like other states, but anyways. But including tax, it was $55.92, which I feel is such a good deal. So that would have been $187.88. That's before tax, so it would have been $200. And I paid after tax $55.92. So I am very impressed and excited, and I can't wait to see everything put together outside my front door. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you like the video, give it that thumbs up, and if you want, you can subscribe to see more kind of vloggy bargain hunting videos like this in the future, as well as DIYs and thrift flips, things like that. Definitely also hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Leave me comments, let me know if you bought anything like this at JOANN'S, or if you got good bargains on fall decorations, anything like that this year. I would love to hear from you. And of course, like I said, if you haven't seen the pumpkin video from last week, go check that out because it was really cool. Basically, it was 5 easy DIY, no carve pumpkins, so it was super cool. Alright, see you guys later. Bye! Mwah.